Welcome back to Northside Pyro. Today we are at Rocket Fireworks in Wright City, Missouri, the absolute best fireworks store I've ever been to, or I've ever seen. I've literally never seen prices like they have anywhere online, in person, doesn't matter what state, doesn't matter where, you're never gonna see anything like this. We're gonna go ahead and head inside. We'll take a look at some of the prices, take a look at some of the products, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right, we're in an aisle of 500 gram fireworks, and that's really what they specialize in. And I promise you, you're not going to see prices like this anywhere else in the country. And these are a whole row of $20 500 gram fireworks. Zoom of Doom, $20. Rounders, $20. Shenanigans, $20. Badge of Honor by Brothers Heavyweights, $20. My Vice, $20. Agent of Boom, $20. Gunslinger, $20, Double Double, $20. I mean, look at this. And then they also have case prices. So Prime Rain, $20, but you can get 6 of them for less than $100. I mean, that's a banger of a firework. $20, I mean, that's cheaper than a lot of places sell their 200 gram cakes. So I mean, just absolutely incredible. Pool Party, that's a fun one we've done before. Light Brigade, that's a classic one. Again, $20. We did a big shopping before we did this video. I got a bunch of these. Picked up this Double Detonation, which is new this year. Bamboozle, Skyscraper, these are all classics. Again, this whole wall, just $20 500 gram cakes. This Banana Split, if you haven't seen this one, I would highly recommend it. Again, they're selling them for 20 bucks. I picked up a couple of them. Unbelievable colors, big, beautiful breaks, excellent effect. Highly, highly recommend. Then we get into some of the bigger boys, slightly more than the $20, but again, nothing crazy in terms of the price, except for the fact that they're unbelievably cheap. Prices are on the top. Picked up one of these, Cluster Bomb. That's a hell of a banger. That thing goes nuts. Sky Treats we picked up. Show and shine. The other thing that you're not going to believe that we'll show you in a minute is the prices they have on their 1-1s, on their zipper finale cakes. But all of these huge 500, I mean, the Nishiki Mine, that is a crazy, crazy banger for $40. You can get 4 of them a case for $120. And that's an absolute finale cake. That thing goes nuts. If you've ever seen it, you'll know that thing goes absolutely bananas. And they have it for $40. I mean, places closer to where I live you're going to get it for $80, $90. Obviously, you got a bunch of novelties. But you don't come here for the novelties. You come here for the ridiculous prices on the 500 gram cakes. That's the bread and butter. That's the speciality here. Picked up one of these, Red Sun, has some crazy effects, only $40, absolutely insane. And Rainbow, I picked up one of these. Then look over here, this is where you're not going to believe. Absolutely unbelievable. The prices on these finale cakes, on the zipper, the 1-1s. $90, $120 for Rainbow Ghost, which is just an absolute killer zipper. $80, $100, $100. I mean, there are places in Northwest Indiana that are selling cakes like this for $250, $300, $350. Here you get it for $80, $100. Golden peacock, $80. You can get 2 golden peacocks for $120. I mean, that's absolutely insane. Pandemonium, only $80. And that's easily $175 cake. Amazing Ballet, $80. Sky Burner, $120. Rowdy Ride, $90. These are all 1-1 finale cakes, all for $120 or less. Picked up one of these, Ranging Ninja. Here we get into your artillery shells. Again, unbelievable prices. Quest, $60. Mother of all fireworks, $60. Grand Jury, $70. Peacock Spider, $70. Neon Skies, I picked one of these up, $60. Holy Nishiki, I picked one of these up, $60. Ghostacular, $70. I picked one of those up. You got your festival balls, like $12, $9, $15 for American Chief. King Dragon, $80. I had that last year. Five-inch Master, 6-inch Master, 7-inch Master. Those are brand new in here. That's the most expensive one you're going to see is 7-inch Canister Shells, $130. But you can get a case of 3 for $300, so $100 each. Even more 500-gram cakes. Some more festival balls and artillery shells. And we have your firecrackers. 8,000 roll firecracker for $40. What is this? 16,000 roll for $80. 16,000 firecracker roll, $80. We got some Roman candles, Gatling gun, bunch of Roman candles. Then here's where stuff really gets awesome, is their cases. So these are all 4-pack cases. You have the Brothers #1, where you can see what all that includes. Blonde Joke, Saturday Night Special, Parrots Prattle, Shotgun Wedding. It's $110. And these are cakes that in a lot of stores, you're going to find them for $50 or $60 per cake. Here you get all 4 for $110. The Deadly Dozen, that's 12 200-gram cakes, only $90. Container Red, another 12 200-gram cakes, $85. These are all cases that you can just buy here, available to the public. You don't need to have some license or anything like that. We got this last year, Mob Madness, Amped Up. You know, I should have picked one of those up because those are really sick, and it's only $70 for all 4. Even more cases. We picked up this one last year, the big box of bombs. That's absolutely sick. Less than $100 for that. 49-shot collection. We got that last year also. Only $90 for 4 500-gram cakes. Some of the most classic cakes out there. Look at these case prices. Unbelievable. And we got some of your parachutes. Bottle rockets. If you watch the channel, you know we're not a big fan of rockets just because of where we live. We can't really control where they go, so we kind of stay away from them. But if you like rockets, they got them. Saturn missiles. Look at this gigantic Saturn missile, only $70. 300-shot Saturn missile, $12. Then you got your fountains, snow cones, some of the bigger ones, 500-gram fountains. You can see all this stuff on their website, rocketfireworks.com. They have case prices on most of this stuff also. We definitely did this one last year, the ballerina's ball, $15. I think I got it for like $25. Puzzle cube, I also got it for like $25. It's $15 here. Just a bunch of classic little fountains. All your smoke bombs that you could need, sparklers, all the good stuff for the kids. Then we got your 200-gram cakes, your little ones, some classics, Golden Peacock, again, $6. Come on. Super Stallion, $6. And Strongman, $12. And Super Stallion, I've seen that so many places for $12 or $15. You got it here for $6. So again, they're definitely much heavier on the 500 gram than on the 200. That's really their specialty here, is the 500 gram cakes. But, you know, they have the smaller stuff also, so you're not just stuck with no choice. We have your assortments. If you're into assortments, you know, I'm not big into assortments, but if you want them, they got them, and obviously they're going to have them for the best price you're going to find anywhere. When I say I'm not into assortments, I mean ones like these. But you know, stuff like this, Raccoon Squad, I mean, that's just a bunch of different real cakes, 200-gram cakes from Raccoon for $109. 12 cakes for $110. So that's less than $10 per cake for Raccoon 200-gram cakes. I mean, that's sick. Then look at these rockets. I should have picked a couple of these up. $10 for an assortment of 4. Again, easily you could find that for $20, $25 other places. Then here's another thing they have crazy prices on. Again, not a huge selection, but the Noabs, Uncle Sam, $80. American Anthem is $80. I picked up one of those. No, $70, I think. Yeah, American Anthem, $70. I definitely picked one of those up. Ghost Dragon, $80. I picked one of those up. Neon Jellyfish, $80. Come on. I picked one of those up. Mother of All Bombs, 2 for $125. Wacky Tobacco, one of the classics, $80. Hot as Hell, I picked one of those up, also $80. You're not going to see anything like it. If you have any chance whatsoever, I drive about 5 hours to get here, and it's 100% worthwhile. If you have any way of getting here, it's just a little bit north of St. Louis. It is the best fireworks store in the entire country. That's going to do it this time for Northside Pyro. Hit the like button, subscribe, make your way down here, and we will see you in the next one.